this nested radical equation, as you can see over here. Though this problem looks really complicated, but as a matter of fact, this is a really simple problem, and I'll show you how to do it in just a few steps. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here I have copied this equation down over here, as you can see. And now the very first thing I want to do is I want to isolate this radical part. So that means this -6 should go on the right hand side. And here, as you can see, I have just copied down square root of 38 minus the cube root of 7. And then within that cube root, we got a fourth root of x equal to 6. And now, as we can see, we got a square root. We want to undo this square root. We are going to take the square on this side, and likewise we are going to take the square on this side as well. And as you can see that this square and square root, they undo each other, so we ended up with 38 minus the cube root of this 7 plus and then fourth root of x equal to 6 square is going to become 36. And now let's go ahead and move this 38 on the right hand side. Once we move that thing, so that is going to give us the cube root of this 7 plus the fourth root of x equal to 36 minus 38. So we got the same thing on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we got just simply -2. Now, as you can see, we got a negative signs on both sides, so I can remove those negative signs by just dividing both sides by -1. And now on the right hand side, you can see we no longer have a negative sign on both sides. So we got on the left hand side the cube root of 7 plus fourth root of x equal to 2. And now we want to undo this cube root. So therefore, I am going to take the power 3 on both sides. So as you can see, this cube and cube root, they are gone. So we ended up with 7 plus the fourth root of x, and we know 2 power 3 is 8. Let's move this 7 on the right hand side. So this is going to become fourth root of x equal to 8 minus 7. So therefore we got the fourth root of x equal to +1. And we are almost done. Now let's go ahead and remove this fourth root by taking the fourth power on both sides. So this fourth root and power 4, they undo each other. So we ended up x equal to 1 power 4 means 1, and that is our solution. So thus our solution turns out to be